September 9, 2015 was a key date in British history. On this day, she became the longest serving monarch of the royal family. Surpassing the record set by her father George VI King's great-grandmother, Queen Victoria, who reigned from 1837 to 1901, a total of 63 years. And she completed her 68 years in the throne in 2020. She is Queen Elizabeth II. Her actual name is Elizabeth Alexandra Mary Windsor. As the eldest daughter of King George VI, she expected to inherit the throne. She became the Queen of United Kingdom and 32 other British Commonwealth countries in 1952. The coins bearing portraits of Her Majesty was introduced in 1953. They represented a fresh start following the Second War and announced a new Elizabethan era. The most popular questions regarding Queen's portraits are why the Queen faces right in all coins. It's actually down to a weird tradition going back hundreds of years, since the time of Charles II, all the way back in the early 1600s. Tradition was dictated that which way the monarch faces on coins alternates each time. This means Queen's successor, whether it ends up being Charles or Williams, will be printed on coins facing on the left instead. So far, this unwritten rule has only been broken once for the coinage of Edward VIII. He abdicated before he was crowned, meaning no new coins were introduced into general circulation. A few experimental pieces were produced in which he faces left like his predecessor. When it came to the next king, George VI, his coins were created as if Edward VIII has been produced, meaning he was facing right, and from then on the tradition continued as normal. After how many years the portrait been replaced? There are no such time period, because the first portrait was produced for 13 years, the second one for 15 years, the third one for 20 years, the fourth one for 15 years, and the last one which is introduced in 2015 and still producing. The third question is, how many such portraits are there of Her Majesty? There are 5 such portraits are printed on the Royal Minted coins till date. They are Mary Gillick portrait. The designer of this portrait was Mary Gaskell Gillick. This portrait was introduced for the first time in 1953. The Queen looked youthful and optimistic in the portrait. The second portrait is Arnold Machin RA portrait, which was designed by Arnold Machin, who was artist, sculptor, coin and postage stamp designer. These portrait coins were introduced in 1968 to replace the existing shillings and florins, in which the Queen wearing a tiara instead of a wreath. The tiara had been given to the Queen by her grandmother Queen Mary. The third one is Raphael Maclov portrait. This portrait was designed by Raphael Maclov. The portrait was scooped and showed Queen wearing the royal diadem, which she normally wears on her way to and from the state opening of Parliament. The fourth one is Ian Rank Broadley FRBS portrait. The idea of replacing the Maclov portrait came about during a competition to design the obverse of the 1997 Golden Wedding Crown. The winning design by Ian Rank Broadley FRBS, introduced in 1998, makes from an interesting contrast with its predecessor being less idealized and more strongly realistic. The final one is Jody Clark portrait, which was unveiled in 2015 and designed by Jody Clark, the first Royal Mint coin designer. In this portrait, the Queen wearing the Royal Diamond Diadem crown worn for her coronation. The Royal Canadian Mint is not printed these portraits on their coins. In 1990, the first Canadian design, Dora de Pedre Hunt, debuted and lasted until 2003. In 2003, after a competition amongst 9 artists, a new portrait by Susanna Blunt first appeared on the obverse of Canadian coins and remained current. Her Majesty turned 94 this year. The portraits defined various times of her life.